Thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. I've got the latest Eachine Airwolf. This is the E188 Pro because it has both stabilised and proper collective pitch 3D modes should you want to fly in that mode. It also comes with a radio, but you could use your own radio because it does use a Futaba protocol. So if you want that finer degree of control, then you could use your existing heli transmitter. Anyway, let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we get. As with the E188, you can see it's a highly detailed Airwolf. Looks really nice, but the difference is this has no optical flow, no LiDAR, no GPS. This is just stabilized on or off, as simple as that, and in 3D mode, proper collective pitch. So you know, if you're a beginner, fly in 6G mode, stabilized mode start with, and then go with 3D mode, and then just small hops and learn how to fly in proper CP mode, 3D mode. Anyway, let's give it a go. So there you go, that's Eachine's E188 Pro, the Pro version. Pro, but it actually comes with less. Doesn't have LiDAR, doesn't have optical flow, does not have GPS. And I suspect that's going to influence the price. What it does have is everything that you need in the box to fly. Less the 4 AA's for the radio transmitter, which is set up specifically to fly this in stabilized 6G mode or proper 3D collective pitch mode, whichever you want to fly in. Now, if you have your own radio transmitter, you're an experienced RC heli pilot, then I suspect you would. Then, and if you have FUTAB support, the FUTAB protocol, then you can bind it to this as well and set up your own curves and everything that you can do to make it fly the way that you want. Otherwise, even the standard radio flies it quite well. I flew it in this video in stabilized 6G mode, but will be back soon to fly it tentatively in the 3D rage mode, as they call it. Anyway, the link for this is in the video description and a pinned comment with a time limited discount code at my friends at Banggood. But otherwise, thanks for watching this video on Essential RC. See you next time. Bye.